Hello and welcome to another CameraPro short. My name's Angus, and in this video we're going to be going through a quick tutorial on how to shoot astronomical photography, better known as astrophotography, which involves shooting the night sky and the things within it. Getting started is quite simple. All you really need is a tripod and a camera with a long exposure setting. Astrophotography is also regularly shot on wide-angle lenses, so for today's tutorial I'll be using the Sigma 14-24mm DGDN art lens, as it will provide us with a large field of view showing more of the night sky. I then normally open my aperture all the way and set my exposure time anywhere between 10 and 30 seconds. You'll likely need to experiment with these settings before you shoot anything that you're happy with, but this should only take a few minutes. You may also want to shoot some star trails, which will either require shooting several shots and then layering them in post-production, or by doing a much longer exposure, which may require using something like a shutter release remote. Anyway, that's all for our quick astrophotography tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.